So these are the Raycon Everyday Earbuds, and I'm sure you've seen them being advertised and sponsored here on YouTube before. And this is the first time Raycon's reached out to me directly and offered to sponsor this video so I could actually put it through its paces. And we know about the different colors and everything, but one thing we don't know is how water resistant these are. They're IPX6, which is great. That's awesome. And it supposedly works in the rain and fitness, but what about in the shower?
Yeah, I gotta say, I'm actually quite impressed with these Raycon Everyday Earbuds. Yeah, they even come with this handy dandy little carrying case. There are 4 different colors on the website as of right now, but they do add and change colors as, you know, time moves on, obviously. And in the packaging, you also get little gel tips to make sure that these fit your specific ear holes. Ear holes? Is that your ear canal? Quite frankly, what impresses me the most with these earbuds is how powerful they are. You don't just connect them to your phone and listen to music and you're done. No, you actually have up to 4 different audio modes that you can choose from, including balance mode, bass mode, and awareness mode. Awareness mode actually is quite cool, and I just recently tested it with my wife, and that allows me to have these in my ears and it will pick up my surroundings. So I can still hear her while I'm listening to my podcast, my favorite music, or if I'm on a conference call, for example. But on the flip side, if you want to drown out all the noise around you because you're on an airplane or a public bus, or you're just out and about and you don't want to hear anything else, the Raycon Everyday Earbuds does support passive noise canceling as well. You've got up to 32 hours of continuous battery life. These actually automatically connect when you take them out of the casing. I actually forgot about that. And if we can do it here, it passes the head swivel test. See? But honestly, the reason why the Raycon Everyday Earbuds impresses me is that you are truly getting the best bang for your buck. For less than $80, you're getting a pair of earbuds that are being used by millions of customers worldwide, including some of your favorite music artists who truly need the best audio quality on the go. And hey, if it's good enough for Snoop Dogg, it should be good enough for me, right?
For shizzle dizzle.
Whether you need a new pair of earbuds for your workouts, your everyday tasks and chores, or even as something as important as your meetings, definitely consider the Raycon Everyday Earbuds.
For your own pair, go to rayconglobal.com, select the Everyday Earbuds, choose your color of choice, and use Lazy Tech for 15% off your order. Again, that's Lazy Tech for 15% off your order. And of course, huge thanks to Raycon for sponsoring this video.
Heart.